Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prioritizing safety and measurement. Put on gloves and glasses. If on a roof, use a harness. Do not skip that. Next, measure the panel perimeter and leave a 0. 5 1-inch gap for wire routing and thermal expansion. Choose a UV-resistant mesh and stainless steel ties and clips sized to your panel frame. Once done, position the mesh roll near the array so you can work continuously. This reduces steps and keeps your hands free for accurate fitting. You now attach the mesh to the panel frames. Unroll the mesh from one corner and keep steady tension, firm but not stretched, because panels expand in heat. Clip the mesh to the frame every 6 to 12 inches, then thread stainless ties through clip holes and tighten by hand, finishing with a small pull for security. Trim excess with tin snips and fold the cut edges under to prevent fraying and rubbing against wiring. When finished this pass, inspect for gaps and retention any loose sections. You finish by sealing and inspecting. Apply foam or rubber gasket along the mesh perimeter where it meets the roof or conduit openings to keep pests out and water off the edges. Then inspect wiring and ensure clips do not contact live terminals. Make sure airflow is not blocked. Test panel output to confirm no shade or pressure issues. If mesh becomes loose, add clips every 4-6 inches or replace corroded ties. That single troubleshooting step solves most failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.